2022 tax refund status still processing. Welcome back, everyone. So happy to have you back. In today's update, we are going to go over the still processing status that many of you are receiving. Even though the PATH Act has been lifted, we are past February 15th, but many of you are still not seeing a direct deposit date. Here is what the IRS.gov website states in terms of a still processing status. If the IRS is still processing your 2021 tax return or correcting errors, neither the Where Is My Refund or any of the phone representatives will be able to provide you with a specific direct deposit refund date. You will have to continue to check the Where Is My Refund tool for daily updates. Remember, the system updates once a day, usually overnight. You can check it more than once a day, but do not check it excessively because the IRS monitors the website and you will be blocked from using it for a specific amount of time if you use it too many times. All right. Now, the IRS issues more than 9 out of 10 refunds in the normal time frame, less than 21 days. However, it is possible that your return is still being reviewed. IRS representatives can research the status of your 2021 tax return only if it has been more than 21 days since you e-filed and it was accepted by the IRS and you got the notification it was accepted, or it has been more than 6 weeks since you mailed your paper return. And we all know that 6 weeks for paper is way more than that because of the already backlog that they have, an extensive backlog in terms of paper tax return and paper correspondence. All right. Now, if it has been more than 21 days since you filed and you're not seeing any action on the WMR at all, then you may want to try to call the IRS directly, and make sure you check out the video Tips to Speak with the IRS pinned in the comment section in the playlist. Now, besides the EITC and the ACT, if there are any inconsistencies with any of the credits that you claim, the child tax credit, the recovery rebate credit, those will definitely delay your tax return more than 21 days. Here are some other things that can delay your 2021 tax return for further review besides the credits. All right. It is incomplete. It needs further review in general, just for accuracy. The IRS might just want to make sure that the numbers are correct. You may be affected by identity theft. Someone may have tried to file a tax return with your social security number already. Someone may have claimed a child that you are claiming on your tax return. All of these things can flag your return for further review, as well as if you file a Form 8379 injured spouse allocation, which could take up to 14 weeks to be processed. So if it's been more than 21 days since you filed, you may want to get on that phone and contact the IRS to see if you can get any information, because most refunds with no issues will be approved within that 21 day time frame. Now, the Where Is My Refund will give you a personalized direct deposit date when the IRS has approved your refund. Now, if you do not see a refund date, all right, the IRS says that this status, the approved status, will tell you when they will send your refund directly to your bank. So when you go to the WMR, once the IRS is done with your tax return, it will say approve. It will say approve. It will give you a direct deposit date. But remember, the direct deposit date, you need to add an additional approximately 5 days to that date for your bank to make the funds available to you. Remember, that excludes weekends and holidays. Some banks may make your money available to you quicker than others, but the date you see on the WMR is the date the IRS completed process it, and send it to your bank. That does not mean the bank will make it available to you on that specific date. All right. So make sure you keep that in mind when you are checking that date and expecting your refund. All right. Now, also remember the PATH Act has been lifted. Don't worry, some of you are stressing because you're not seeing a deposit date. You still have time to get a direct deposit date. Remember, the latest estimated date by the IRS was March 1st for the EITC and additional child tax credit if you claim those credits. The earliest was February 19th. So many of you may get your refund this weekend. Some of you may have to wait until March. Now, if it becomes after March, it's been more than 21 days, then you may want to get concerned, like I said, and call the IRS to check to see if there are any other issues going on, or you may want to attend one of those Saturday sessions coming up in March. Check the playlist for that video in terms of the IRS is now offering Saturday hours to help you during this 2022 tax filing season. All right, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come back for all of the information that matters to you most. I am doing the research so you do not have to, and I will see every one of you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.